Asana. Chaturanga Dandasana. In Sanskrit, Chatura means four, Anga means limbs, Danda means staff, Asana means pose. In English, it's called four-limbed staff pose. Steps and adjustments of Chaturanga Dandasana. Step number 1. Sit in Dandasana, feet together, hands by the sides of your body. Now slowly take your left leg beneath your left hips, followed by your right leg beneath your right hips, hands on your thighs. From here, take one elbow and palm distance forward and slowly come into all fours, also called tabletop position. From here, tuck your toes, bring your upper torso down and slowly lift your knees and come into Chaturanga Dandasana. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. Slowly bring your knees down, lift your upper torso, release your toes and slowly relax in child's pose. Variations of Chaturanga Dandasana. Come into all fours, tuck your toes, lift your knees off the ground. Come to Untitled Chaturanga Dandasana. And slowly come back to child's pose. Benefits of Chaturanga Dandasana. Strengthens arms and wrists and develops mobility and power. Number 2. Contracts and tones abdominal muscles. Number 3. Strengthens spinal column. Contraindications of Chaturanga Dandasana. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with carpal tunnel syndrome, during menstruation, during pregnancy, and also shoulder dislocation.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.